Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in Oxford White, great cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine, it's a 4x4, and it has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a reverse camera as well. It has heated mirrors. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake's located here, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. And then when we're ready to take a look at our menu, we can toggle through trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when we press the end, it'll appear on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And in the center you have a little bit of a cubby, as well as hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. We can touch on the screen for different options, things like audio, and go into the sources. And you have AM, FM. You just touch in to what you want. There we go. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then you can go into your settings and slide through for different options there, as well, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. You have your volume and tuner, and down below there's your fan, front defrost, heated side view mirrors, AC and max AC. And then just below, a couple of USB outlets, as well as a 12-volt. There's a little bin there to put items. In the center, a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, so you have some storage there. Then flip the seat up. You've got another seating position with a seat belt. Unclip it underneath, and you've got lots of room down below. And then off on the side here, you've got a 12-volt as well as a locking glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, there's your sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the handle is your backup camera, so when you put the vehicle in reverse, you'll see the view for that camera in your LCD screen in the center console. And you also have a lockable spare tire down below. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, and inside you've got these tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat up. That gives you more room on the floor. And then if you want to bring it back down, simply pull again, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you've got a 12-volt as well as a couple of cup holders. Off on the left, a couple of USB outlets, grab handle in the body. You've got hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.